What's up, guys? Here in this video, I'm going to be helping you solve a common problem with smart objects and mockups in Photoshop, where you might have a mockup set up like this with some sort of perspective or distortion or some sort of transformation applied to the smart object and, the artwork design layer. And you want that applied to the images that get placed inside of it. This is actually one of the most common things that users of our Photoshop plugin, Batch Replace Smart Objects, reach out to us about. You might have your operation set up like this, where you're ready to automate the creation of your mockup images in Photoshop, but when you go to run the operation and produce your mockup images, this is what ends up happening to the final created images. What you end up with is something totally different from what you had in mind, where instead of applying the desired transformation, it did a bunch of weird shit. It placed the images flat inside of the scene. Maybe the sizing of the images is all screwed up as well. What we're going to show you is how to solve this in Photoshop with just a few quick, simple steps. So whether you created this mockup yourself in Photoshop or whether you downloaded it online, the key thing to understand about smart objects is if you want some sort of a transformation applied to the images that get replaced inside of the smart object, you have to make sure that what you do is transform a layer to a smart object first, then apply your desired transformations to the smart object layer. So probably what happened is whoever created this mockup, what they did is they took an artwork image like this, and then maybe they applied some sort of transformations to the artwork image itself. Maybe they did, in this case, it's probably going to be a perspective warp, something like that. And then what they did is they probably tried to match the perspective of the scene, something like this, with the artwork image. We're not going to do this perfectly, just for the sake of showing you how to solve it. We'll just do sort of a quick and dirty one. And then they were probably like, all right, cool. So I'm going to get my mockup image inside of the scene like this. And they're just like, haha, perspective has been applied to the artwork image. Now I have a wonderful, ready to go mockup. All I got to do is convert it to a smart object layer, convert to smart object, like so. But then what happens, you come here, replace contents, and you're like, what the fuck, man? I placed my image flat. It didn't apply what I want to. The simple fix is to just do the opposite of what we just did here, where what you do is you take your artwork image, paste it into the scene, convert it to a smart object first. Step one is convert it to a smart object. Then you apply your transformations. So then you come here, same steps we just followed, except instead of doing this with the artwork image, we're doing this to the already converted to a smart object layer. Come here, perspective warp. Same steps that we just did, where we're going to apply the perspective that we're going for, create our beautiful looking mockup just like this. And then what happens if you do the same thing, come here, replace contents, drop an image in. As you can see, now it retained the perspective transformation that we applied to the image. So if you're going to automate this process and run the operation using this plugin, you saw what happened the first time. Looks like shit. All the images are just like a complete disaster scene. But now that we did it this way, and we're using this smart object instead, same steps that we just executed on, except the final end result is it retains the transformation that we applied to the smart object. It's a pretty simple fix. You got to just remember that it's about the sequence of events that are followed when you create the mockup. So what you need to do is just convert a layer to a smart object first, apply your transformations to the smart object, and then it'll retain those transformations in any replace smart objects, replace contents operation that you execute. It can be a little tricky if it's a complex mockup, because this was a pretty simple set of transformations here where it's just a basic perspective warp. If it's something crazy where there's like all sorts of waviness, all sorts of arcing and bending and stuff, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, whoever created the mockup for you, or if you created it yourself, you just unfortunately followed the wrong set of steps, and you're just going to have to make sure you apply your transformations to an already converted to a smart object layer. Anyway, if you're creating a lot of mockups in Photoshop one at a time, you can find a link in the description or comment section to our Photoshop plugin, which automates this process for you. It allows you to completely automate the creation of all your mockup images in Photoshop with a few quick, simple setup steps. There's different resize and placement rules you can follow to create perfect looking mockups every single time, regardless of your workflow. Various different export file types are supported. You can customize the export's image quality and compression levels. In terms of the images that it accepts for the smart object replacements, it's very flexible. It's a very easy to use Photoshop plugin. You can also save operations to run later with one button click. You can even save multiple step operations if you want to create all your canvas art mockups, then all your poster wall art mockups, then whatever else you need to do. All of these can be chained together with all of the optimal setup steps already saved and prepared and configured. So your responsibility is just come here, click one button, and automate the creation of all your mockups in Photoshop. You can find a link in the description. It's a super useful plugin. Over 50 5-star reviews on the official Adobe Exchange. The plugin is reviewed and vetted by Adobe. This isn't some weird random download you need to install. This is actually the official Adobe platform for adding plugins to Photoshop. It's a super useful tool if you're creating a large number of mockups like this inside of Photoshop. Check it out and save a ton of time on this process.